What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick overview and walk around of the Peloton bike. Now this model here is configured with the bike mat, shoes, weights, as well as a heart rate monitor. I would recommend getting the shoes, the weights, and the heart rate monitor. One, because the shoes are special shoes designed to be cycling and spin shoes. And they also do have this special cleat on the bottom that clicks into the pedal. Now, if you were to get the bike without the special shoes, I believe it just comes with standard straps and it straps into a tennis shoe. Here are the weights. They're offered in 1, 2, or 3 pounds. I got the 2 pounds because they're just a good middle ground. And then on my handlebar here, I have the heart rate monitor and then headphones that it does come with. Now the heart rate monitor connects to the tablet or the bike via Bluetooth, and the bike also supports Bluetooth headphones such as AirPods. Again, if you really wanted to, you can plug your own headphones or bring your own headphones and plug them on the side of the tablet screen. On the bottom we have, or on the top, we have the power button. We have a camera to take a picture for your profile. Here's a quick look at the home screen. So it just brings up and recommends a couple of classes there. The second option here, we have programs. We have programs such as cycling, strength training, core training, and yoga, some other stuff down here. Actually, a ton of stuff. We have classes on the third screen here. These are pre-recorded classes and they're updated multiple times throughout the day. They have many genres of music such as pop, rock, EDM, rap, hip hop. So tons of stuff to choose from, guys. Here's the schedule, which would be live classes. So we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday right here. Scroll down. This one is going on right now, 8:05 and 8:30. We can join into the class right now. The leaderboard is on the right. You can see I am ranked 1,065 right now, and you can hear it slightly through my headphones. Oh, this is so motivating, guys. It is a ton of fun. So we'll go ahead and exit that out. Here is the handlebar. We can adjust the height of the handlebar using this lever right here. We twist it left to loosen, right to tighten. It has these simple letterings to help us remember the height setting. Moving down, we have the resistance knob right here. You spin this right to make it harder to pedal, left to make it looser, and throughout the class they will tell you to spin it right or left to make it harder or easier to pedal. Here is the pedal, and the resistance knob, if we actually push on it, acts as a brake. So you can see it stops the pedal. The seat is height adjustable. We also have numbers to remember the height setting, and then that lever again loosens that so we can pull it up or down. Here is the adjustment for the seat, how close it is to the touch screen. And that also has letters on it to help you remember. Two things I did add to this bike are this gel cushion, because the bike seat itself is very tough. So this does help out a lot. I'll leave a link for that in the description, as well as this phone mount because I cannot stay away from my phone. But that is a quick look at the Peloton bike and just a quick walk around, guys. I love this bike. It is awesome. I'm drenched in sweat whenever I take a class, and you can literally see sweat just dripping all over this mat when I'm done. So if you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about the bike as well as the Peloton. I think their shipping delays are up to 30 to 60 days right now. So it's pretty difficult to pick one up. Nonetheless, guys, stay tuned. I will have more content on this bike out soon. I'm going to ride it more often. I've had it for about a month now, so I will have a more in-depth and detailed review out soon. So subscribe to my channel, check out my channel, find that, and check out my channel also for tech videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.